Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to go over doing immobilizer off on this VAG EDC or VAG 1.8T ECU. It's ME 7.5. All ME 7s are the same process. But first thing we're going to do, open up this ECU. When you're prying inside, you want to be really careful that you don't go inside and hit any of the circuitry or components on the board. But once you get it started, you should be able to just yank her off. And there we go. After that, we're gonna open up K-Suite. I'm going to go under protocols, ST10, VAG 7.5 hardware 1, click OK. Connections, and it's going to tell you to connect there. There's your pinout, so let's do that. Grab our ECU here. Red. Red. Black. Yellow. And we're gonna connect them up. Okay, once that's connected, we'll come over here to our frame. Very cheap, crappy frame, but it works. And we're going to connect to the boot pin, which on these, the boot pin, if you click on hardware 2, if you click on hardware 2 and go in and look at the instructions, that's the boot pin for this ECU. You'll have to just look at what ECU you have and go back and forth. Alright, once you're connected, click OK. I like to do a full backup of every ECU I connect, so we'll have backup selected. We'll click read, wait for that to identify and go. Now we just wait for it to read. It takes a little while. Yes, we'll save them separately. Done. Okay, and then we're going to prepare the file to be immoed off. We're going to copy the file, go to your computer, your EEPROM tool, folder. We're going to delete these two, and we're going to paste our file in here, and we're going to rename it to 95040. Top in, and we're going to open up. We're going to open up a command prompt. We're going to cd to our folder. Then we're going to run EEPROM tool 950. That's our file to inspect it. Immobilizer off, corrected checksums, all good. And there's our file. And close this stuff. Now we unselect restore, click EEPROM, right, and we go to our folder, our newly created off file. Open, and away she goes. Writing successfully completed. And then now I'll go into VCDS and show you that it worked after I put the ECU back together. Now I'll just hook up my little bench harness I've made here. Hook up my battery. My cheap blue cable here does the job for this kind of stuff. I'll switch over to VCDS and we'll show you. Adaptation 91. And here's your information. 1 for immobilizer deleted, 4 for it matched to the car you're in. So we got 1. You can see it worked. Alright, so you can see that worked. Hopefully this helped you guys watching here. Hopefully you learned something. And as always, fix it till it breaks. Thanks for subscribing. Leave a comment, share this video. It all helps. We'll catch you on the next one.